I have got a very special holiday gift for you admins out there. There's a beta you want to opt yourself into that gives you the ability to require associations when a new record is created. So check this out. Here I am on the products update page. This is the beta you're interested in. Configure associations when record is created. Opt yourself into that beta and then look what happens. Just as an example, let's look at a deal. Let's say when a deal is created, you want to require it to have a contact and company associated with it, right? Right now when you create a deal, by default, contacts and companies appear here, right? But I could leave them blank if I wanted to. But if we edit this form, now that I'm opted into this beta, look, down here is so you can add and require properties. You're used to that. But look, associate with, you can choose which of these, even the custom objects, which ones appear in this form. And if you want to require them, you can make them required at creation. This is huge. I know so many of you have been asking for it for so long. Ho, ho, ho. I hope this makes you happy. Enjoy it. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any questions.